Okay, hi. How to multiply two matrices? This is example 18 from textbook Mathematics Form 5. It is given that matrix K is this matrix and matrix L is this matrix. Calculate L square, KL square and L cube. Okay, so for this question, okay, we look at question A first. Question A said that calculate L square. L square is equals to L times L. So, you write matrix L 2 times. -4, 2, 0, 1. And write again -4, 2, 0, 1. And then, you multiply the two matrices. Okay, so please remember, you need to write to make sure, okay, for the first column, okay, you divide it by row, and for the first matrix you divide it by row, and for the second matrix you divide it by column. Okay, so that you can see. Okay, and then solve the multiplication. Okay, for the first row and first column, -4, okay, plus 2, and the first column is -4 and 0. For the first row and second column, okay, -4 plus 2, but the column is 2, 1. Okay, we finish for first row, then we go to the next row. The next row is 0 and 1, and the column is -4, 0. And then for the second column, 2 and 1. Okay, don't forget to double check what you wrote, okay, to avoid mistakes. Okay, -4, 2, 0, 1. -4, 2, 0, 1. And the column is -4, 0, -4, 0, 2, 1, and 2, 1. Okay, so you can continue, okay, calculating. -4 times -4 is 16 plus 0. So this is 16. Okay, and then 0 times -4 is 0, plus with 1 times 0 is also 0. So the second row and first column is 0. Now -4 times 2 is -8 plus 2. So this is -6. And the last one, 0 times 2 is 0. So this is 1. Okay, you can always check whether the order of your answer is correct or not by determine the order of the matrix. Here, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So the answer is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, next for question B, the question asks you to calculate KL square. Okay, so for this case, K you multiply with L and then multiply with L. But, okay, for question A, you already calculate L square. So for question B, you can straight away multiply K with L square that you get in question 1, question A. So, for question B, K L square is equals to, K is 3, 2, -1, 5, 4, negative 2. And L square is 16, negative 6, 0, 1. Okay, the matrix L square you get from question A. Okay, and then you solve, okay, the multiplication of the matrices. So 3 times 16 plus 2 times 0. Okay, for the first row, first column. For the first row and second column is 3 times negative 6 plus 2 times 1. And then for the second row, negative 1, 16 plus 5, 0. Negative 1, negative 6 plus 5, 1. Okay, you can see that, okay, the number inside bracket is similar to the number, the first number, okay, number at the first row. Okay, 16, 16, 0, 0. Negative 6, negative 6, 1, 1. Okay, and then for the third row, 4, 16 plus negative 2, 0. 4, negative 6 plus negative 2, 1. Okay, don't forget the bracket equals. Okay, and then you solve the addition of the elements inside. So here is, okay, you calculate 48, negative 16, and then negative 16, 11, 64, and negative 26. Okay, so this is the answer for question B. Okay, now for question C, you need to calculate L cube. Okay, so for L cube is L times L times L, right? So you can write it as L square L, or you also can write it as L square. Okay, why? Because you already know L square, so you can straight away write L square, L or L and then L square. Okay, so I choose this. It is L square, so I put L square first. 16, I take this from question A. Okay, the answer for question A is L square, and then I rewrite L. L is negative 4, 2, 0, 1. And then I multiply 16 times negative 4, okay, plus negative 6 times 0. And then 16 times 2 plus negative 6 times 1. 0 times negative 4 plus 1 times 0. And then 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Okay, and then I calculate the values. Okay, equals to, okay, 16 times negative 4 is negative 64. Okay, this is 32 minus 6 is 26. And then 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So the answer for question C is negative 64, 26, 0, 1. So this is the solution for example 18 from Maths textbook Form 5.